How to download Roblox Studio. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Roblox Studio. So if you open any of your preferred web browser and go to roblox.com, you will land to this kind of page. Make sure that you log in to your account. Now on this main interface, on the right section, you should see the option called Get Roblox Studio. Simply tap on the download option to download the studio. Now by default, Roblox Studio gets downloaded when you have downloaded the Roblox app. However, if that's not the case, then you can simply open a new tab on your browser. On the search bar, type in Roblox Studio download, search for it, and on the result page, you should see the download link. Click on Roblox Studio. After that, you will land to this kind of page. Here, log into your account and click on download to download Studio. The Roblox Studio app will look something like this. If you are still having problem, then reinstall your Roblox app. That will install the Studio and the Roblox app. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.